Hello, in this video I'll show you how to reset the oil service interval on Audi A5 F5. To reset the oil service interval, we need to go inside the car. We need to turn the ignition on. You don't need to start the car, just turn the ignition on. Next we're gonna go into the menu on the monitor. From the scroll down menu, down there, we're going to go into car. Next we're going to press the left button here on the left of the scroll button, and we're going to go into the settings. So we're going to go into servicings and checks. Here we can check the oil level. You can see the oil level is okay. We just replaced the oil. Next we're gonna go up and press the back button, which is down there. Next we're gonna go to service interval, scroll to service interval, and we press OK. Then reset oil change interval, press OK again, and then press yes, and that's the oil change service interval reset. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.